nonprofits have so much sensitive information that they manage, right? Donor information, donor lists, names, addresses, phone numbers, contact information, financial records. The concern is, how can we make sure that, we can give some ideas here that we will never get the exhaustive list today, but there's some so that you can protect the information you share. And so I would say that you really have to focus on, first what the risk is. And Leon and Naz, I'm sure you could add to the items here, but I would think, loss of personal information around social security numbers, bank accounts. So I think that we have to remember a few things. First of all, you know, every bad actor out there, which is the cyber criminal, they all kind of know that tax time is when a lot of information gets exchanged. And so they're going to look for things that could appear in emails, for example, in the subject line, even much less the content that they can scan. So don't send emails that have things that say, hey, 1099 attached or K1s attached or tax advice requested, things like that. I mean, be careful with what you're sending in an email or any communication. And generally, don't send sensitive information via email at any time, particularly those that have personal identifiable information like social security numbers or corporate tax IDs. Consider whether or not PDFs, for example, are really the right thing to send. Sometimes they're not as secure as you think, so be careful, even with the password, that you're using something that can be encrypted and secure in transit between you and your tax preparer. And think about using, and I know our firm does, think about using things like a secure portal. I've seen that in action with both Leor and Naz, with clients and others that we know that, it can seem like a lot of work to have to upload and download and get passwords and things like that, but it's meant for your protection. So please, work with the tax preparer and also use your own defensive mechanisms to think about only uploading to things where you're not sending something by email, but you're uploading to a secure portal of sorts. And that can even include things like your Dropbox or your own Microsoft OneDrive, as long as it's secured adequately.